You know the Maverick been peeping over the Shericka Jackson fence all season. She ran some 60 meters, some 400 meters, and more 400 meters, with all of that culminating in this weekend's scorching 10.82 world lead over the 100 meters. And running and winning is one thing, but how well conditioned she is. And we're not just looking at Shericka. We're looking at the other contenders for that sprint double in Hungary, and more importantly, for that 100 meters title, because none of them can touch her in the 200. So forget about that. But in that 100 field, Elaine and Shelley seem to be playing hide and seek. Yes, yes. We're really not sure what they're up to. Alia Hobbs and Shakira Richardson running fast on American soil. Not convinced they can reproduce that form in Europe. Shericka has been there and done that. And my guess, or my gamble, is that Shericka Jackson and her connections will be looking to go one step further at the World Championships. And that one step will be to add the 100 meters to her 200 meters crown. You don't believe me? You don't believe me? Just stick around. Stick around.